Aloha and welcome video viewers, this is Panther playing Super Panda Adventures. We finally have all 3 of our bars filled up, saved, and now we're going to give this guy a really good solid try. Whoop! Okay, just stop doing this attack, goddamn. Can't do any damage to you while you're doing that. I can beat him if he doesn't spam that. Ah! Out of shield. Damn it. Damn it. Can't tell which direction he's gonna come from. And we are very close to the end of this fight. Yes! 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 Very good, Fu. You make quite an excellent fighter. Thanks, George. Wait a tick. How did you know my name? I'm a good guesser myself. And Jenna was here and told me. So am I ready to learn the way of the dragon? Yes, you are ready. Let us all meet in the Sky Forest so you can teach, so we can teach you the way of the dragon. Awesome! I'll see you there. Fuck yeah! Saving, 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 saving. I'm gonna beat the shit out of these guys just because. Like I said, just because there was no other reason outside of that. I like bosses that have a pattern. I hated his jump kick though, because there was no rhyme or reason on which direction it's going to come from. And to top it all off, there was no rhyme or reason on when he was going to stop. I counted. At least I thought I counted. I could be wrong. I could have not counted. Save. Destruction? Stop shooting me from the islands. You're an ass. Oh right, no shield. I should be careful. You did it, Fu! You have defeated both Dragon Masters. You have proven your courage, speed, and strength. Fucking determination. Don't forget that. Although there was plenty of times where I'm like, I'm done. Oh yeah. You know the way of the dragon is not just a spell you learn, but a part of your spirit. So why did you send me out to fight Dragon Masters? By fighting the Dragon Masters, you have proven the willpower to overcome all your weaknesses. Well, I guess I have. So, you say the way of the dragon is already a part of me? Yes. God, I hate these things. You have learned it already. Fuck you. Anyway, when you focus your mind and let balance and peace fill your heart, you will see what I mean. Thank you, Jenna, for everything. I will use this Way of the Dragon wisely. You have learned Way of the Dragon. It deals a lot of damage and lifts foe into the air. Yep, I figured. Okay, well, it's a close range attack. I had to do that at least once. Now I just need the bomb. And possibly flight. Nope, doesn't break stuff. Doesn't change my shuriken. Which could both be good and bad. What the hell? Howdy, Fu. How did you get here? How did I get here? Uncle Bob, what the hell are you doing on an alien planet? What do you mean? I stepped into a bus that said it was going to the beach. This isn't the beach? Uncle, come inside my spaceship and I'll fly you back home. No need for that, lad. In fact, some metal dude told me about some magic guitar that can be found in this place. A magic guitar on this planet? Yes. The dude looked like a tin can and said you can get a magic guitar here and I'm going to find it. Okay, Uncle, don't move. I'll look around for this magic guitar and bring it back to you when I find it. Groovy. I appreciate it, son. I'm not your son, I'm your nephew. Because you're the freaking uncle. Ooh! Ooh! Ow! Motherfucking son of a... But... Yeah! Tome of Experience! This relic doubles the experience gain. Ah, son of a bitch! Oh, from getting a high combo bonus. Okay. Not from these things. What is that? I don't have the blue key anyway, so... Pop, pop, pop. Hello, Panda. Beautiful weather, isn't it? Yes, very pretty today. Hello there, Mr. Robot. Oh, Panda can see behind Robot's clever disguise? With glasses and stuff? Interesting. You're another evil robot that is part of the management on this planet. Why are robots so evil? No, this robot does not like being evil. This robot wants to invent. So robot reprogram self. Really? I didn't even know you could do that. Well, this robot is different. This robot wants to do good and help sheep and invent awesome stuff. It's so nice to hear. Maybe you can even help me bring this management down and free the planet. Yes, Robot helps Panda. But first, Robot needs help. Panda collects 72 pulse for Robot. Yes? Holy... I guess that's what? 72? Oh boy, I can only hope there aren't too scattered too far away from here. Okay, 72 doesn't sound so bad right now. Wow, that was easier than I thought. I agree, Panda. I agree. I should bring these bolts back to the inventor now. I've collected all 72 bolts. Does that mean you're helping me now? Yes. Robot thanks Panda very much. But Robot needs more bolts. Ah. More bolts? Come on, I helped you out. Now it's your turn to help me. Deal sounds fair to Robot. Robot helps Panda by hacking security network. I don't know what that means. Panda not able to walk into city, no? Robot hacks security. Panda able to go to city. Oh, that does sound useful. So... now I can go move around freely without being detected by all the robots. Yes, Robot helps Panda. Robot wants help Panda destroy management. Panda want more help? Guess that would be very nice. Panda wants more help. Robot makes new deal. Panda helps Robot at old ruins. Or meets Robot at old ruins. I want that. Looks like night vision goggles. I'm not sure what they'll do in this game. Oh! No, I understand what they would do. Ooh, yellow. I've got a yellow key. Wait. Oh, yeah. I can't do anything there. Okay, I don't understand that. Whatever. Hello again, Jules. I'm Fu, by the way. Glad to see another student of Master Wushu. He trained me to see the truth, and before he had to leave the planet a long time ago. Yeah, me too. Unfortunately, the robots found him and captured their princess, and Tyler. Did you say Tyler? That must be the guy the robots have turned into a new work slave for their recently. So it's true. The sage was right. They have brought Tyler here and replaced him with a robot. Where is he now? Management overrides memory of a person and puts him into a cheap apartment in Mega City. I can't let that happen to Tyler. I will get him out of here. Be careful, Miss Fu. Mega City is at the heart of the robot empire. Leave the outpost and go east. Good luck. You didn't tell me. Whatever. Old ruins. Never been here before. Wow. I don't like that one. I don't like that one. I'm gonna finish off upgrading my health, and then I'll do this one, Block Mastery. Oh. Hello again, Panda. Do you feel like collecting more bolts for me today? I'd rather go play poker with some llamas. Well, in case anybody at home doesn't know, llamas are very, very distasteful. They are not happy creatures. Panda tries to lighten tension between robot and animal with joke. Panda, good guy. No, actually, Fred and Bill still owe me some coins for the last game. Oh! Okay, surprised us both. Anyway, robot needs Panda to collect 72 more bolts. Really? Well, I guess robot likes to repeat things, so kind of boring, but oh well. Sweet, sweet boredom. Robot appreciates help from Panda. Be quick and collect bolts. Oh, now it's going to be more difficult. Still want my health up, because in the end result, my health being up is what matters. Oh, there's the magic guitar. Let's see. Red key over this way, under there. See if I can't path it out. Yeah. So once I find the red key, I know roughly how to get to it. Whoops, whoops, getting off track, getting off track. Let's see, the bolts were over here. I found all 72 bolts. Again. I should bring them back to the inventor robot in the balcony. Let's go ahead and get that done. Oops, forgot he could do that. There we go. Good work, Panda. What do you need these belts for anyway? Are you using them for some new invention? No. Robot eats bolts for breakfast. Very healthy for robot. Eat like cereal. Yum. Why did I even ask? Panda completes one part of deal. Robot should complete other half. Yep, that would be very nice. But robot needs more bolts. Even more fucking cereal. Excuse my language. Robot wants ask Panda for a favor. See, this is the difference between us. Even if I'm not logical, even if it's not logical for me to help you again, I'll do it. That's such a nice thing. Robot very thankful. Please meet Robot in Mega City next. Alright, Robot. I'll see you in Mega City. Crystal armor full. I need keys. Oh, who the hell are you? Oh, the pulse also stuns them. They are a pain in the ass. I need keys. Ah, there's a yellow key, but red key's what I need to complete the side quest. There's a blue key. Cool. Happy about that. I don't want to waste those things. Okay. That was unbelievably good. Looks like I need the bomb in order to do something here. Actually, I need something even more than the bomb. Save. Can't go there yet. Mega City. Save. Ow. Now this stage was made for the double jump in mind, so... Cool, leveled up. 20 more health. There you are. Okay, what do you need from me this time? Let me guess. It has to do with collecting bolts. Panda guessed correctly. Panda is very smart. Robot is impressed. Well, you robot guys are kind of predictable. Anyway, should I start looking for them here? Not exactly. Robot has red key. Panda take red key. Panda open red door, find bolts. I'm getting tripped over my own words. This time is the last time you want me to collect bolts for you, right? Yes. Robot is very nice reward. And good and helpful invention for Panda. And of course, it's more difficult this time. Bolt collecting, not something I was expecting to do in a game called Super Panda Adventures. I was expecting a cape though. Oh man. Oh shit, it goes through things? Okay. pepper cherry flavor. There we go. Very disadvantaged area there. Okay. Yeah, I figured. Save here. Alright. I'm getting tired of this collecting these. Better go see the robot inventor again. I'm already here, so... Blue key! I'm glad I checked. Right, forget what it logs, but... The sage is here. How the frick do these people get here when I had to go through such high water? Oh yeah, motherfucker. There we go. Wait. Oops. I'm running long, folks. I'm sorry. 450. Let's go ahead and complete this. Here are your bolts. So many bolts. So many bolts. Robot likes bolts. Bolts very good breakfast. Yum. So, we done here? Yes, Panda deserves compensation for time and effort. Robot has nice invention for Panda. Awesome, where is it? Robot has invention in Sheepy House Outpost. Panda come and see us there. safe. And I apologize for this one running long. So, as always, have fun, be safe, and aloha.